What's up, bakers? Today we are making cornbread. Pause the video here to see all the ingredients necessary for this recipe. Let's get started. Let's get all the dry ingredients inside this bowl, starting with the flour, cornmeal, white sugar, baking powder, and finally the salt. Now we are going to whisk these dry ingredients until it becomes one homogeneous mixture. We'll finish it off by creating a well in the center of this mixture that we will add the egg, milk, and butter to. We will continue by whisking once more, but only as much as we need to. It's really simple. That's basically it. Good job. Now we need to prep our pan, and I'm using a 9-inch diameter cake pan. You can use that or an 8x8 square cake pan. Now we're going to get our mixture in there, our batter if you will, and we will spread it as evenly as possible so that it cooks evenly. Once you're done making this batter look nice and pretty, we can send it off to the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's back, we will cool it on a cooling rack for at least 5 to 10 minutes before removing it from the pan. Now, I ran into a small issue with my pan because it is cheap. So I broke my cake pan, but that's okay. The show must go on. And as the show goes on, you can see here how badly the cake pan is broken, but that doesn't matter. Let's get this prepped to eat. Now that looks like a cornbread I want to put in my mouth. Crumbly, golden yellow. It tastes like cornbread. And it's pretty good. And it's super easy. Really, really easy to make. Normally I would put butter on this when it's warm and honey. And that would just take it to the next level. Hope you guys enjoyed. I sure did. And I hope you give it a shot because this is really, really easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.